Okay, so this is the breather tube that was printed in carbon fiber PETG, and the white that you see is the support material. It's called support W or PLA support. Yeah, it used to be called support W, but Bambu Labs changed it to PLA support. And this thing kind of looks like an Oreo. It actually looks like string, but no, that's actually filament that it lays down. It's called an interface layer. And in theory, this is supposed to break off and leave a super clean surface where the support meets the print. So I wanted to record it because I hope it works. So we're going to try this. Wow. Okay, you saw how easy that came off. So I'm not using any tools, just my fingers. Normally I have to use tools to peel the supports off of PETG because it just sticks pretty aggressively, or more aggressively than this is. So I've never, this is the first time I'm doing it with a full print like this. I did it with a test print the other day. So you see how easy that came off. I'm trying to just use my hands for this whole demo here. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. This is good. Oh yeah, that was pretty satisfying. So you see how clean that is? Wow. Okay. That's cool. Again, the reason why I want to use this is to minimize. Woo! Yeah. Minimize sanding. Wait, I want to do minimize sanding. So, that's what we'll do. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is actually coming off pretty easily. Okay, good. So really it's the pieces that have a big surface area that are tough to get off, but once you have the main pieces off, okay, this is coming off easy now. Look at that, watch. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Okay, look. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh yeah, look at that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, guys, I have to say, very satisfied with the interface material. So that's all the junk right there. Then we have our breather tube right there. Amazing. Very cool. Yeah. Okay.